We are taking the grill out of the box and putting it together. What's under this piece of cardboard? Oh, the lid. Oh, it's the lid. It is starting to look like a grill now. Fully assembled with the lid in place. Miss Daisy May's contribution to putting the grill together. We came back inside, and I guess Roscoe got cold outside on the deck. Covered himself up with a blanket. Wonder if my cast tastes good. Rick is cleaning the grill with soapy water, getting ready to season it so we can use it for the first time.
I'm not sure. We're just going to cook soap water.
Oh, are we going to cook with soap water instead of oil?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Puppy jail. I think there's freedom on the other side of